Be the last one to speak, no matter where you are. Learn to listen things before spitting words. More you will listen to one, more they will like you. Be able to laugh at yourself, because one who can laugh at himself will never get offended from the criticism by others. Logic is simple, because when people see that you are able to laugh at yourself, they respect you and get fascinated towards you. Let your actions speak louder than words. Success will come to you only if you are an efforts maker, not a speaker. Great things comes by great efforts, not by great speech. Be honest, because honesty can help you to conquer your goals easily. Try to become a good person. When you become good, you are able to see goodness in others also. If you cannot see good in others, it does not mean they are bad. It means you have to work on your goodness. The things you are observing in others is your own reflection, that how you observe yourself. Give respect to everyone, no matter what their posts are. Just know that if you want to get respect, learn to give respect first. Be able to change yourself into a better person. We are designed for a change. You either get better or get worse. Help others when they need help and ask for help when you need it. Thank you so much.